go. Come on, Alexander. Where's Buffalo? What have you got?
Michael.
You got cars?
Yeah.
Are you-
Circles.
It is.
It's block.
Welcome to another Learn of Lex. Today we've got cool toy cars with Hot Wheels tracks. Ready, steady, go! Yeah! You excited to play with this? Okay.
Thanks, Patrick.
How can
Yeah, that's right. Help Daddy rip open the box. Oh, do you want the toy? Look, you got a new car! And what does this say? Good boy, now pull it towards you. Whoa! Look how long it goes. Right, put the car in here. Can you put the car in there for Daddy? Put the car in. Watch, put the car in here. Can you press that blue button? Press the blue button. Wait, Daddy help you. Ready? Push it. Whoa! Push, wait. Push that button. Ready? Wow! Did you see that? Wow! Should we do it again? Get another car. Where's the balloon? Here. Come on. Wait. Oh, ah! What do you have, Alexander? You putting all the cars away? Good boy. Should we close the Wait. And then we can. Yeah.
Here's another car. You want another one?
Pull the spring back. Daddy help you? What colour is this car? Oh, you want to put the car away? Okay, yeah, that's right. Good boy. Should we put it in here? You ready? Say ready, steady, go. Oh, you're putting them all away. There's too many cars in there. Should we put it in here? See what happens? Press the button. Wow! Good boy. Now put the car in. And then push the button. Wow! Wow! Thank you for watching another Learn with Lex. Today's been great fun playing with cars with this Hot Wheels track. Alexander enjoys it a lot. Uh-oh, you gonna turn into a lorry again? And if you know of any other Hot Wheels tracks to use or play with, let us know in the comments below. Say bye!